Welcome to our comparison of two leading home security camera systems, the REOLINK 4K security camera system and the LITYMOL home security camera system. In today's video, we'll dive into their specifications, features, and performance to help you determine which system offers the best value for your home security. We'll cover key areas such as video resolution, camera count, and storage capacity, giving you a comprehensive overview of both products. Let's get started. The REOLINK system boasts a stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution, providing exceptional clarity and detail in every frame. This is particularly beneficial for identifying faces and license plates in security footage. In contrast, the LITYMOL system offers a resolution of 5 megapixels, which, while still decent, does not match the sharpness of 4Ks. If video quality is a top priority for you, the REOLINK system is the clear winner in this category. When it comes to the number of cameras, the REOLINK system includes 8 cameras, allowing for extensive coverage of your property. This is ideal for larger homes or businesses that require multiple monitoring points. On the other hand, the LITYMOL system comes with 4 cameras, which may be sufficient for smaller properties, but could leave blind spots in larger areas. For comprehensive surveillance, the REOLINK system again takes the lead. Storage capacity is another critical factor in choosing a security camera system. The REOLINK system features a robust 4 terabytes hard drive, allowing for extensive video storage and longer retention times for recorded footage. In contrast, the LITYMOL system has a 2 terabytes hard drive, which may fill up more quickly, especially if recording continuously. This means that if you want to keep more footage without constantly managing storage, the REOLINK system is the better option. In conclusion, both the REOLINK and LITYMOL security camera systems offer unique advantages. The REOLINK system excels in video quality, camera count, and storage capacity, making it a premium choice for those who prioritize comprehensive security. Meanwhile, the LITYMOL system provides a more budget-friendly option with essential features and ease of installation. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific security needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.